In this video, I will show you how to change Outlook account password on iPhone. So right now, I'll show you the exact way to easily change or update your Outlook account password. In order to change password, we have to open our browser. So on your iPhone, just open a browser and now just type here Microsoft.com. So you have to go to the Microsoft official website first. And as we know, the Outlook account and Microsoft account are connected. So to change your Outlook account password, you have to change your Microsoft account password. Once you're in Microsoft official website, tap on this profile icon. And now you have to log into your Microsoft account first. So here I'm just tapping on this profile icon to sign into my Microsoft account. So all you have to need, just sign into your account using your login credential. Once you successfully signed in, now again tap on this profile icon, and here you will directly jump into your Microsoft account profile page. So tap on my Microsoft account. And once you are in your Microsoft account page, here just tap on change password. And now you have to verify your Microsoft account current password. So write here your account current password. Now here you will find the option to easily change your Outlook account password. So in this first password box, you have to retype your current password, and here write your new password and re-enter the new password here, and then just check this box and click on save, and your Microsoft Outlook account will be changed. So this is how we can easily change Outlook password on our iPhone. If this video will help you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.